In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to add images in your posts, step by step. So let's get started. So again, we start with a new post and first enter your post title. Then click on this plus button to add a block and search for image. Select image and insert it. Now you can upload images, select from media library or insert from URL. Let's select this media library and select images from here to insert. You can also set its alt text for SEO, fill out the details and click on select button. As you can see, the image is inserted. So here you have more editing options. Now click on this 3 dots and you will options to duplicate, insert before, insert after, move to, edit as HTML and add to reusable blocks. Once done, click on this top right publish button. After that, click on this view post button. And here you can see your full post with title and image you have inserted. So this is how you can add images to your posts. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to chapter 16. Finding more blocks. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at how you can find more blocks, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.